Right, guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a new episode. So we do have a new build for you. It's right there. I'll park in the garage and then I'll show you what we have. And there is the new project. So this is 2005 LJ. We got it from corporate. Everything was fixed behind the camera. New paint inside, outside, under, everywhere. So the thing is good to go. Now, of course, you're not gonna drive it like that because it needs a lift kit, color change, bumpers, and a lot more. Now we're gonna start with the interior, but what's coming is we did order a Rubicon Express lift kit with the Fox shocks. We're looking for the wheels right now. Before ripping everything apart, I want to go over the interior to show you what we're gonna do. So as you see, the door panels are all faded and the dashboard has some different color pieces. I'll show you guys in the back a little bit. For now, the back it's all nice, just had to be cleaned a little bit, and most of the work is gonna be over there in the front. Alright, so there is all the plastics from inside. All this stuff has to be prepped for paint and then spray it with the black paint. You see how the paint comes out? That's because this was painted before, but they didn't use a primer. So we decided to take off everything, like every single piece on the dashboard, take everything in the backyard and paint. I do want to clean up everything before we install the dashboard. There is few pieces like these two brackets that are rusted. I'll have to clean them up and paint it. This is not rust, I promise. It's just dirty. Everything is gonna have to be cleaned up and then come back with the new parts. The new radio, it has a different plug, and then I open everything over here to switch the plugs, and I realized that nothing was covered with electric tape, so all the wires are touching, and that's why we never had music over here. Good thing this Jeep didn't catch on fire. There is the dashboard, complete except that one part that goes over there waiting on that. You guys remember the big metal rusty box over there? We did throw it away and got the original. And there's the rear speakers. They're really nice. Right there. We also gonna have to change the connectors, the clips, the screws, because these are damaged and the clips are rusted. When I pulled the door panel, all those clips got damaged and we went and got new ones. They're right there. I'll have to change all of them, throw the door panel in, and then the next one right there. After that, the seats. Start working on the Jeep seats. Basically, I want to get the frame off, and they're really difficult over here with all those cables and everything, and install it into these seats. Looks pretty simple over there. After I pull the frame, I want to paint it. There is some rust. First I want to clean it and then paint it, install the seats. I cut these tubes that I'm gonna use for the seat. I drill them, paint them. When they dry, I'll install them on the seat and show you guys what I'm talking about. All right, so this is where the bottom tube goes, and the top one will go on these two holes that already have threads. So it's gonna be like that. Seat number one is done. Those tubes, they're under over here, running that way, and that allowed me to pin them with this bolts. 3 over here, 3 over there. That's more than enough. Now I'm gonna go ahead and install it. Probably the biggest change for the interior was definitely the seats. Those things are comfortable and a lot nicer than original ones. I can say the interior is complete 100% because I did add these two seats. They come out of the Volvo, so I made the frame on the bottom and then installed the seats, and they're easy to put in or take it off. You just unbolt those screws, and same thing too on the front. Pull them out if they're in your way, so you actually can lay them down. They're both individual. You can do whatever you want with this one, and then same thing with the other one. Lay them down, both of them like that, and you can fit anything over here, like another Jeep or a semi-truck or whatever. Right there, as you see, there is another L-angle in the front. with some bolts. And look at those things. Check out the door panels. They're brand new looking. Same thing with the whole dashboard. All the bolts are new. Panels, every little piece was painted and looks really good. A brand new radio. Center console looking clean, good. Good thing we got rid of the metal box that we had in the center. That's the original one, a lot better. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today's video. Stay tuned for the next one coming because we are doing a full color change and some other little things on the Jeep. Other than that, follow us on Instagram. It's a custom auto builds and I'll catch you guys later.